Okay. The next thing we need to talk about is the range function, which is also a very commonly used thing in which we use in programming. So range function allows counting in for loops. It generates a sequence of integers between a starting integer, okay, and that is included in the range, and an ending integer that is excluded, okay. And we can optionally also specify incrementer. The reason why you see red, the end value as a red, because this is the required parameter. So in order to use the range function, if we specify only one value, it is treated as an end value. Okay, it will be more clear with the examples. And they are most frequently used with the for loops. It's a sequence type like list and tuples, but it is immutable as well. And generally, it is the range objects are only used as a part of the for loop statement. So these are some examples. Here, range, we specified only one parameter, 5. So 5 would be treated as an end value. It would generate the value starting from 0 by default, 0 all the way until 4. As I said before, the end value is excluded, as same as in the slicing. Remember when we were learning slicing, loop slicing, the end index is always excluded. So it generates a list of integers from 0 to 4. Here in this example, we have specified 0, 5, and we left the last other optional parameter. So it will generate the same sequence as it generated before, starting from 0 until the value 4. Yep.
Yeah, I know it's like, this is an easy way to remember. When you see the last number in the range, it ends with the number before it, you know?
Yeah.
The generated sequence.
Yeah. So the reason why we have the start parameter, optional start parameter, because we can optionally start from any value. Okay, so we can, here in this example, you can see we are starting from 3 and finishing until like 6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7 is excluded. Same is the case with this. Let's see this example. 0, start from 0 and add 5, which means and add 4, and increment the value by 1. So it will again increment every value by 1. Here in this example, start at 0, finish at 5, or 5 is excluded, so 4, and increment each value by 2. So 0, 1 is skipped, 2, and then 3 is skipped, and 4. Here again, we can start off from the value and we can decrement it until the end index. So here we are starting from 5 and decrementing every value by 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Same as the example here. Any question?